see, laziness requires you to do, laziness is, it requires that you work to be lazy. He had to go dig the place. He had to look for a safe place, located the parcel of land that was safe, cleaned up the place, dug it out, laid it neatly, covered it, and ensured that he was checking on it so nobody discovers that. That's a lot of work to be poor. See, not doing exploits, inability to do exploit for the Lord requires laziness not to be able to accomplish. To be able to accomplish. To sit back and not accomplish anything is that you have to work at it because you are loaded. You are loaded. Sometimes just a smile, just conversation, just the new song, just something that look at how those people here sang effortlessly. And I didn't want the song to stop. And then pastor came over and was rubbing it in. And I had not recovered that. And then he came over and opened that scripture and took me to a different realm. You know, I was saying, please continue. I was just continue. You need to work hard to be poor. You need to work hard not to be able to do exploit on the face of the earth. It takes a lot of work not to be able to do exploit. Because you are gifted, you are so loaded.